Hello, this is Roller with the Globe Community Support Team, and today I want to show you how you can create a blog on the Globe website. So once you've logged in, come up here to your name, click on it, and choose My Page. Then come over here to Blog and choose the blog, and click on Add Blog Entry. Give your blog a title, and come down into the content section and add in your content. Next, you can add images, so click where you want the image to go. So I want an image here. And then click on this Add Image button. You want to select Center and Caption Image. You can choose different options if you like. I'm just going to choose those two. And to get an image, first let's go to unsplash.com. And I want an image of a mountain, so I'm just going to type in mountain. And here's a nice mountain picture. You can just say download free here. Then come back over here to the blog, choose browse server, and click on the folder with your name in it. And then we can create a new folder for our blog image. So and just click on that new folder and choose this browse button. And you can go to your downloads and find that picture. Once you found the picture, click on the upload. And we'll just wait for the upload to take place. Okay, and click on the name of your uploaded image and choose OK. Next thing you want to do is double click on the image, and we're going to go ahead and change this width to 700 and click OK. You might want to adjust that value. You can also grab this black box here to click and drag to resize as well. In the caption here, I'm just going to type mountain. And that's it. Now you can come down and publish your blog. So let's go here, choose publish. And we have a blog. You can read more. And this would be the blog. You can also rate it if you'd like. So thank you for watching and have a great day.